Hello guys, we know Texas Instruments is one of the most preferred vendor when you go to usage of components. So one important tool which Texas Instruments have come up is called BOM and cross reference tool, where you can find an alternate sourcing need for from Texas Instruments for any specific IC. Like example, let us assume that you have a IC and you want to find an alternate from Texas Instruments. So you can use this tool, which is very helpful. So let us just try it. And let us assume LM317 is the commonly used, right? Even Texas Instruments has parts from LM317. You can create a list, you can upload BOM, there are options as well, and you can search individual components as we did now. You can see here this particular tool is listing all the components from different vendors, whether it be Analog, Fairchild, Linear Technology. So while the vendors Linear Technology got transferred to Analog, we know, so it says transferred, so that we might have to search, but at least it gives different part numbers from different vendors and whether it is transferred or obsolete or active. And example, if I want to find a cross reference of LM317, just click on view and it gives the alternate part number for LM317 from Texas Instruments. Okay, so this is the TI part number, and then this is the data sheet, and these are the specs and whether it is active or not. A very useful tool. I think a lot of effort is being put in to this tool, but it would be very useful, especially for the hardware engineers who have to go through all the individual indexes to see the specific part and use filters, which is a cumbersome activity. So while most of the hardware engineers do use Mauser, DesiKey for searching, this could be one of the tool which would be very useful, and it could be a popular one among the hardware engineers. If you have not tried it and if you want to use it for your component sourcing needs, just give it a try. Thank you.